Hey there, language lovers! Welcome to my channel, Let's Learn in English, your go-to channel for mastering English that will spice up your life and impress everyone. Let's get started!
First grade science.
Identify animals as wild or domestic. Today, we will learn about different types of animals. Some animals are wild and some are domestic.
What does wild mean?
Wild animals live in nature without any help from humans. They find their own food and shelter.
Can you give an example of a wild animal?
Sure, a lion is a good example of a wild animal.
What about domestic animals?
Domestic animals live with people. We take care of them. They include pets, like dogs and cats, and animals that help us, like cows and horses.
Is a cat a domestic animal?
Yes, cats are domestic animals because they live with humans and are cared for by them. Let's talk about how wild animals and domestic animals differ in their behavior.
Do wild animals like to be near people?
No, wild animals usually avoid people. They are not used to human contact.
What about domestic animals?
Domestic animals are often very friendly to humans because they have been raised around us.
Can a wild animal become a domestic animal?
It's very rare. Wild animals have natural behaviors that are hard to change, even if they grow up around humans.
Why do some people keep wild animals at home?
Keeping wild animals at home is not a good idea. It can be dangerous and it's often not good for the animal.
Key words and phrases.
1. Wild. A tiger is a wild animal. 2. Domestic. A dog is a domestic animal. 3. Nature. Wild animals live in nature. 4. Shelter. Animals find shelter in their natural environment. 5. Pets. Many people have pets at home. 6. Cared for. Domestic animals are cared for by humans. 7. Behavior. Animals show different types of behavior. 8. Avoid. Wild animals avoid human areas. 9. Friendly. Domestic animals are usually friendly. 10. Raised. She raised the puppy into a friendly dog. 11. Rare. It is rare to see a snow leopard in the wild. 12. Natural behaviors. Each animal has its own natural behaviors. 13. Dangerous. Climbing without proper gear is dangerous. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and join our journey to speak English like a native. Let's make learning science in English easy and fun.